I like me better when I'm with you.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna vlog my trip to Derawan. It's actually a student trip because I just booked a tour yesterday. I'm gonna have a flight in the next 3 hours, but I haven't packed anything yet. So I'm just gonna get ready now and pack all my stuff.
You're my savior, my selfish mind makes you hard, makes you leave me.
Where's the soap? Oh, in a pouch? Where's your bag? Here's the outfit for today. I'm wearing my mom's shirt and the pants that I wore yesterday.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Can I see the waterfall? No, it's not a cave, it's a waterfall. Can I see the waterfall from the Google? No, we gotta take a speedboat for 5 minutes and then we're gonna go to the waterfall. Let's go!
Hidup itu goyangnya.
Tekepik-kepik dia. Stop.
Just getting stung by the first one and the
Wait, hold it properly first. Okay, another mint. I saw many purple mints before. I mean, they throw it everywhere. There's a lot. I cannot take it all. Where?
It's really big.
Yeah, I see it.
Careful,
No,
T.
don't do anything to it. Let it be.
Oh, it's so
You can
big.
go.
I'll get this too because I'm not sure where we're gonna get any kind of breakfast tomorrow. The chocolate one. What's this? That one? Okay, my camera is running out of battery, but we're gonna stay inside the car for a whole night and we're trying to find a gas station first before staying inside the car for the whole night. I guess that's it. It's currently 10:43 p.m. I'm gonna set an alarm at 7 in the morning in case we cannot wake up in the morning. I'm actually gonna sleep right now. This is the way how we sleep. And I'm gonna sleep here. I'm gonna probably sleep like this. Yay.
In the back, in the shadows.
Yeah. Good night. No, I wake up not every hour, but I wake up like probably 2 or 3 times. You wanna bring this puppy or? Okay. The pros and cons of staying a whole night inside the car is pros. There's no pros.
You can sleep without paying.
Oh yeah, we don't need to pay and it's kind of free, but we need to pay for our gas.
Compared to the homestay, it's better to pay for the gas.
But the cons are there's the sound of vehicles coming around. It's too loud because we're not in the city. I mean, we're in the city, but there's like many cars, many motorcycles. It's hard to sleep.
Ini mau sunset atau sunrise?
Bisa dua-dua.